When homeowners furnish recessed light fixtures and ceiling fans, there can be problems with rough enough housings and boxes mounted flush with the angled ceiling. Recessed light fixtures are typically designed for horizontal ceilings. When installed on an angled ceiling, the housing may tilt or sit crooked, causing alignment issues and potential gaps. Not all recessed light fixtures are made for vaulted ceilings. Some fixtures have specific mounting requirements or limitations related to the angle of the ceiling. Check the manufacturer's specifications before installing fixtures on a vaulted ceiling. To ensure proper installation, use recessed light housings specifically designed for vaulted ceilings. These housings have adjustable brackets that allow for customization according to the angle of the slope. Most ceiling fans can work with slope vaulted ceilings. Ceiling fans are typically designed to accommodate a range of ceiling angles. However, certain models may have limitations or require different mounting hardware. Before purchasing a ceiling fan, review the manufacturer's specifications to ensure it is suitable for your vaulted ceiling. Some fans may specify a maximum ceiling slope angle. If necessary, use angled mounting brackets or extensions to adjust the angle of the ceiling fan to match the ceiling slope. This ensures proper airflow and prevents wobbling or vibration. Ensure that the electrical wiring is securely fastened and adequately supported, especially when working with angled ceilings. Maintain proper insulation around recessed light fixtures and ceiling fan boxes to prevent heat buildup and potential fire hazards. Always adhere to local building codes and consult with a qualified electrician or contractor if you have any concerns or uncertainties regarding electrical installations on vaulted ceilings.